Hi guys, look at this fully animated cartoon film. If you want to learn how to create a film like this and outsource most of the filmmaking process to AI tools, this is definitely the right course for you guys because we're going to combine text to image generator, text to animations, text to voice generator together to produce this high quality cartoon films, guys. Look at this character, very cool, right? Hello guys, welcome to my Udemy course. Welcome to creating cartoon animation film with AI. This is basically an extensive project-based course where you'll be guided step by step on how to create and edit short cartoon animation film from scratch utilizing combination of AI tools. For example, like Runway ML and Leonardo AI for generating character and scene images. We're also going to be utilizing ChatGPT for generating film ideas, outlines, titles, and scripts. We're going to be utilizing BigSpeak AI for converting content script text to realistic human voices. We're also going to be utilizing Fit.io for editing the film, as well as a Sketch Meta Demo Lab for animating the characters and the scenes in the film. In this course, you will realize that outsourcing vast majority of your work to AI tools will not only save a lot of your time and efforts, but also it will totally change your perspective on filmmaking process, as the amount of work that need to be done could be significantly reduced without lowering the quality of the film itself. In the introduction session, you will learn how AI tools can help you to create cartoon animation films, as well as how to combine them to get the best result possible. Then continued by learning how to write effective ChatGPT prompts to use for generating film content ideas and outlines. Once you got those ideas and outlines, you're going to pick whichever that you like. Then you will learn step by step on how to start creating your first cartoon film project from scratch. Firstly, we will use ChatGPT to generate the content, characters, narrations, and even conversations between characters. Afterward, we're going to use BigSpeak AI to convert the text to a super realistic human voices. Once you already have the narrations and character voices, the next thing that you will learn is to utilize text to image generators like Leonardo AI and Runway ML to generate the characters and scene images that you want. Obviously, when it comes to generating characters, you'll need to generate the same character face for a variety of scenes and expressions. Therefore, you will also learn specifically on how to write the prompt for generating identical character faces in different scenes. Then, once all the characters have been created, you'll learn how to use Metademo Lab to animate the characters, where you can turn your creative ideas and imagination to cool cartoon animation videos. Once you have the voices and animated character scenes, you will learn step by step on how to combine them together using Fit.io, which is one of the best browser-based editing software. Beside the film creations, you're also going to learn other essential knowledge that you need to have as a cartoon filmmaker. So in the next section, you will learn how to design interesting film thumbnail to attract curiosity of your potential audience. You'll learn how to build and grow audience on social media platforms like TikTok and YouTube, as well as learning several different ways to monetize your cartoon film contents and potentially start your own cartoon film business as you start generating income from different sources. Well, we've gone this far, but I have not introduced myself yet. Hi guys, my name is Chris, and I've been creating more than 40 courses on Udemy. Previously, I worked as an IT consultant for last couple of years before deciding to resign from my job and start running several online businesses like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products, including selling online courses here on Udemy. Regarding cartoon filmmaking, although I do not have any prior professional experience in cartoon filmmaking and animation, however, I had multiple experiences in small cartoon projects in the past where I was in charge of being the animator specialist in the project. And now, after witnessing the advanced development of AI, I cannot stop thinking why there are not enough cartoon filmmakers or cartoon animators who outsource their work to AI tools. Hence, my intentions behind creating this course is to teach aspiring cartoon filmmakers, animators, or even content creators out there to outsource their work to AI, but at the same time retaining the quality of the cartoon films that you create. So yeah guys, that was brief introductions about myself. Once again, welcome to the course. I'm so glad to have you here. I'm so excited to have you here. And I'll see you guys in the next video.